I'm so sorry, but you have osteosarcoma and malignant fibrous histiocytoma of bone.
Excuse me?
I said osteosarcoma and malignant fibrous histiocytoma of bone.
What is that? It sounds really scary.
Osteosarcoma and malignant fibrous of bone is a cancer that develops in your bones.
Help somebody?
Osteosarcoma and malignant fibrous histiocytoma of bone is a cancer caused when malignant cancer cells form in bone. The symptoms include swelling of bone, swelling over bony parts in the body, a bone breaking for no apparent reason, and simple joint pain.
What can I do to prevent it, Doc?
I'm getting to that. Now go to the waiting room. In order to understand osteosarcoma and malignant fibrous histiocytoma of the bone, you need to understand the basic parts of the cell cycle. Cell cycle has two different parts, mitosis and mitosis. With mitosis, cell division needs two daughter cells with the same kind of chromosomes as the adult nucleus. With mitosis, the cell division results in four daughter cells with half the same kind of chromosomes as the adult nucleus. There's also another part called the
I spoke to the lady at the front desk, and she said that you're not a certified doctor, and the cops have been called.
Yes, I am. Go back to the waiting room. As I was saying, there's another part called chromosomal crossover. When this occurs, crossing over occurs between protophase 1 and metaphase 1. When the segments of the chromosomes pair up and share genetic material. When it comes to symptoms of treatment, the symptoms include swelling of the bone, swelling over bony parts of the body, groans or breaking for no apparent reason, and simple joint pain. Whether the tumor, stage of cancer, whether the cancer is newly diagnosed or has recurred after the treatment.
So the cancer's in my...
Why aren't you in the waiting room? Leave! There's three types of treatment: radiation, chemo, and surgery. Chemo is a very vague term. It's like a type refers to the treatment of cancer using cancer-treating drugs. This is the second kind of treatment. Surgery is when they surgically remove the tumor or parts of the tumor. However, the third kind of treatment, radiation, works from growing and dividing cancer cells, causing them to die. Normal cells can also be affected by radiation, but recover and go back to working the way they should. Other rapid-growing cells, like your hair roots, may cause you to go through hair loss. Cancer occurs inside cells after symptoms of mutations have developed. In this case, mutations is the process of changing DNA from its normal state. Mutations happen when a cell loses activity or presence in a cell cycle inhibitor. This happens when the cancer cells divide faster. If the cell mutates even more, it will eventually produce a cancer cell. Then it will reproduce to make more cancer cells faster. Hello?
Oh, hi. I wanted to know if there's any way that you can actually tell me that I actually do have a tumor in my bones, because I don't really believe you. It says here, a biopsy is used to diagnose osteosarcoma, malignant fibrous histiocytoma of bone. Osteosarcoma and malignant fibrous histiocytoma of bone diagnosed using either a core biopsy or an incisional biopsy. In a core biopsy, they get a needle to remove the tissue to examine it in the light and electron microscopy. While in an incisional biopsy, the tissue is removed in a lump or sample or of regular tissue. Light and electron microscopy is the process used to examine the tissue and determine if it is cancerous. A real doctor would have known this. You're not a real doctor. I am suing.
I'm sorry. I've misdiagnosed you. You have a cold and you owe me $112.96.
What?